In today's video, I will walk you through how to screen share in Discord without a black screen. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon near the bottom of the app. Next, scroll down and select the System section. Find Hardware Acceleration and turn it off. This can help prevent conflicts between Discord and your graphics hardware that may cause a black screen during screen sharing. After disabling it, Discord may ask you to restart. Click to restart Discord and allow the app to fully relaunch. Once Discord is open again, return to User Settings and select Voice and Video. Scroll down and look for Use our latest technology to capture your screen, or a similar option depending on your Discord version. Turn this setting off. This makes Discord use an alternative screen capture method that can be more compatible with certain graphics cards, drivers, and applications. Now, restart Discord again so the new capture settings can take effect. After Discord relaunches, join your voice channel or call and click the Screen Share button. Choose the screen or application you want to share, then start streaming. Your viewers should now be able to see your screen normally, instead of a black screen. If the problem continues, make sure Discord and your graphics drivers are up to date, and try sharing a different application to determine whether the issue is specific to one program. And that's it! You've learned how to screen share in Discord without a black screen by disabling hardware acceleration and adjusting the screen capture settings. And that's how to screen share in Discord without a black screen. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.